Hello everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Gonna highlight the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC today. As you can see, this comes in a gray exterior, and we've got a black leather interior. I'll show you in just a sec. So today's video will kind of highlight some of the interior and exterior features of the vehicle. If you're looking at a little more in-depth review, or if you want to ask any questions over anything that maybe we didn't cover here today, by all means reach out to us on our website. We would love to chat with you. FeldmannImports.com. So I've got our driver's seat here with lumbar support, sunroof with front and rear. We do have heated memory seats. You got your door and window controls here. We'll switch to open a trunk. Parking brake and lights. Do have a heated steering wheel. We'll just flip that switch just like so. And let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, mileage on this vehicle currently at 4,677. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen Mercedes-Benz display. Currently got radio pulled up here. And there's our backup camera. And you just hit that home button, and then you can access all the other functions within your menu system. For example, if you want to change the ambient LED lighting you'll see throughout the vehicle, you'll see these lights in the vents on your dash, either door, your center console, as well as down below, and all fully customizable within the menu here. So right now we just got kind of a single color, kind of a pink sort of going on here. So you can just kind of remove the color wheel and make your adjustments as you'd like. So those are just single color options. There's also a multicolor, which will kind of do different colors for, the dash, the doors, and whatnot. So we've got fire red here, to a little ocean blue. So pretty cool. There's different effects too, a welcome effect as well as a climate effect. So for example, with the climate one, if you were to increase the temperature, which is actually on high right now, but if you were to increase the temperature when it's not all the way up, it actually kind of flashes red. You can kind of see that starting to flash there, and then it'll flash blue when you decrease the temperature. Anyway, so plenty more from the menu system we could show you here. So touchscreen, definitely one of the easiest ways to control it, but also you've got controls right here on your steering wheel. So you've got a home button, little touchpad here, as well as a back button, and you can just slide left, right, up and down, and then just push in to make your selection. While we're here on the steering wheel, below the display controls, you've got volume controls, cell phone and Bluetooth functionality to accept or decline a call. Over on the other side, we've got your cruise control options here, and then a very similar home button, touchpad, and back button. So if I hit that home button there, it'll bring up a menu over here on your driver interface. So fully customizable here as well. Say if you want to quickly flip the radio stations, I can just swipe up and down, and just kind of keeps your eye a little bit closer to the road there. There's also more cosmetic, different designs here. Currently on sport. Switch to a classic look, and so on. Cool. All right. So behind the steering wheel, you've got paddle shifters on either side. We do have our wiper and turn signal controls. You do have a rear wiper here as well for the rear windshield. And then we have our shifter right here. So you'll flip that up to activate reverse, which also activates your backup camera here. Flip it down for drive, and then push in for park. All right, go ahead and turn the vehicle off here. But let's see, below your display, we've got our climate control here. So there's actually a menu that you can click that button and it'll bring up a menu, a climate menu up here. as well as all the physical buttons to control the climate as well. Below that we got USB connection, little power adapter, cup holders, and then here's the third way to control your display, another touchpad here in your center console. Slide left, right, up and down, and then push down to select. There's some quick access buttons here as well for vehicle settings, for navigation, radio, and so on. There's also your dynamic select switch right here, which will just flip that up and down, and that'll change between the different performance modes, comfort, an individual customized setting, sport mode, and so on. All right, so I'll show you rear seats here next. There we go. Another quick look at your sunroof, again, front and rear. Another quick peek back up front. Okay. And then I guess one more thing we'll show you while we're kind of here. If you do need to flip up your rear seats, super easy, just flip that little switch there. And then, yeah, very, very easy to access your third row seats, or, you know, just flip down for a little extra storage. All right, coming around to the rear, we've got our power opening and closing trunk. You can get third row seats you can flip up if you got a couple extra passengers, or leave down if you want to keep the storage there. And then push button to close. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250. If you're interested in learning more or even want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.